Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the WEEKNUM function in Excel. This function is an essential tool for determining the week number of a specific date within a year, which is particularly useful for tracking project timelines, deadlines, or analyzing trends on a weekly basis. Let's dive in. Let's start with the syntax of the WEEKNUM function. Here's what each part means. Serial number, the date for which you want to find the week number. This can be entered directly as a date in quotes, for example, 01/1024, or as a reference to a cell containing a date. Return type. This is optional and determines which day the week starts on. The default is 1, where the week starts on Sunday. You can specify 2 for Monday as the start of the week, or other numbers for different week start configurations. Now let's look at our example. Suppose you want to find the week number for the date January 15th, 2024. In cell A1, enter the date 01/15/2024. In cell B1, we'll enter our WEEKNUM formula. Start by typing equals WEEKNUM. Next, we need to specify the serial number. Since we already have the date in cell A1, we simply type A1. Finally, we'll specify the return type. Let's use 1 to indicate that the week starts on Sunday, so we type 1 and close the parentheses. Press Enter, and Excel will return the week number for January 15th, 2024, which is 3, because January 15, 2024 falls in the third week of the year. The complete formula in cell B1 is displayed on the screen. And there you have it. We've successfully used the WEEKNUM function to find the week number for a specific date. Let's consider a different scenario where the week starts on a Monday. Suppose you want to calculate the week number for the same date, January 15th, 2024, but with Monday as the start of the week. In cell C1, enter the formula equals WEEKNUM A12 and press Enter. Excel will return the week number 3, but now considering that the week starts on Monday. The WEEKNUM function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Here are some practical applications. Project management. Use WEEKNUM to organize and track project tasks based on the week number, ensuring deadlines are met within specific weeks. Sales reporting. Analyze weekly sales data by calculating the week numbers and aggregating data accordingly. Event planning. Plan and schedule events by week number to manage timelines more effectively. That's it for today's tutorial on the WEEKNUM function in Excel.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.